WLAN hier connected?
Ja.
Sind wir schon live?
Wir sind live.
Oh, hi!
Hi.
Moini! Moini!
Moini, Limonetten.
The guys are so distracted because the football game is on right now.
Ja.
So that's
FC
why,
Bayern führt.
that's why we are day drinking as well.
Day drinking and
always
having some barbecue.
It's always a good excuse.
Ole, ole, ole.
Ja. Schön im...
Oh nein, ist angehalten.
Nein,
Doch,
geht
stand da
weiter.
gerade.
Es geht doch alles weiter.
Hi guys, you can ask us anything you want. Just put, just write a comment. Did you guys hear the song yet? All of you? Everybody? What do you think? We're so excited. Okay, this is Tom's favorite song from the album. Oh, können wir da wieder jemanden reinholen?
Ah,
Ja, ne?
Mensch.
Something happened with the
Yeah.
game. So it's only Georg and me. We're
Yeah.
not that big on football.
But it's
soccer.
your favorite two guys. Look who's here.
Woo! So, we want to watch the video with you guys in a little bit. So far, everybody loves it.
Somebody wants to say hello. Look who just arrived.
Are you guys big on soccer or not? I'm not. Tom loves it. Gustav loves it.
I kind of like it too, but
I mean, yeah.
you guys are more important. Though.
Who is playing today?
Bayern Munich
it's
und
the-
Dortmund.
What's your favorite soccer team?
It's always the...
Oh my God, do you guys want to see Stitch in a little bit? I'm gonna bring him out.
Yeah.
He's wild today.
Are we watching the video together or what?
Okay, I think we should watch the video in a little bit. Let's wait a little longer.
Oh, Dortmund, see?
Dortmund,
Dortmund is... Yeah,
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Is that a team?
Not
Yeah.
bad, yeah.
of course.
okay.
Is that a team?
No, it's not. No.
They have a team?
Yeah, they do.
Barcelona, ja.
Probably the best team in the world.
Is it?
Yeah.
One of the best.
See, I'm retarded. I don't know.
How's the barbecue doing, Gustav?
Gustav.
So far,
Gustav is good. I'm starving, guys.
Starving for the veggies.
I
can't wait.
I didn't eat anything today. I'm starving. I
We
slept
bought
in.
fresh bell pepper. Zucchini.
I was in Cologne yesterday working, doing interviews, and the other guys had a day off.
I'm preparing the show, guys. It's gonna be amazing.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
okay. The show we're rehearsing right now, every day, and we're putting everything together.
With we, he means Tom.
I think this show is gonna be the best show we've ever done. It's gonna
Feels-
be so
yes,
good.
we
like
really
that.
like Bayern.
And When It Rains It Pours, we're gonna play it, of course, it's gonna be so... Oh, by the way, we're gonna perform When It Rains It Pours for the first time live on TV on Monday. So, make sure to
And by
tune
the
in.
way, we're on tour. Nobody knows, but on tour we're gonna play 2 to 3 songs that are not released.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I said that
exclusive.
yesterday. So we have, for the very first time, we have songs on this tour that we play, and they are not released on.
Jesus Christ, what's going on with my hair?
Before. So, if you want to hear exclusive songs, you have to come to the show to hear the songs. Yep. And we play some very old songs that I sang the last time when I was like 16. So.
Cute. Ah, Dortmund, Dortmund.
It's a little cold
They're
today, but it's so
Where's your
nice.
jacket?
I don't have a jacket.
You don't have a jacket?
No, because I
Why?
left and I thought it's like so sunny and nice and I don't need one. Okay, should we watch the video? So everybody, let's go on YouTube right now and then just click on the new video and let's watch it together.
Yeah.
And don't cheat because I can see
If you're
who's
on,
watching.
yeah. Yeah. We have the special app.
Yeah, you all have to go on. So go on YouTube. I give you 10 seconds.
Give them 30.
Go on YouTube, type in Tokyo Towel, go on our channel, and then we're
Subscribe
gonna
if you
subscribe. Yeah, and then we can watch it together. What are you guys drinking? So, what's your favorite drink? I want to hear what you guys. I love this one. It's a Radler. Is that a German thing or do they have?
Radler.
A Radler is a German thing, yeah.
So it's basically a soda mixed with beer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So good.
It's like lemon soda.
But it's Austria, right?
That's from Austria, yeah. Steirisches Bier.
Oh no.
Ja.
Very bad.
Maybe just mach doch WLAN aus. Hier ist doch überall 4G oder was?
Ja, aber guck mal, hier ist so ganz wenig. Ich habe nur 2 Balken.
Ja, aber mach doch 4G einfach. Ich habe doch auch 4G. Guck doch.
Ist das besser, meinst du?
Ja.
Are
We switch to 4G, guys. Wird hergestellt?
Aha.
Here we go.
Okay, so yeah, tell me what's your favorite drink? I would love
Can we
some
call
French
someone?
fries. I would actually love some. No. We're watching the video together. So is everybody on YouTube? Is everybody on YouTube? Then let's watch it now.
Refresh.
Papa out.
I think it turned out so cool.
They probably can't hear you because Sexy Tom.
Aus den Kommentaren natürlich.
Nee, das ist mein personal opinion.
Papa out.
I'm going to strip to this song. Nice. What if? Like, no, like, it's really easy video of the world.
Oh yeah.
I personally think we should have a video with just Tom in it.
That's mostly fun.
Actually, somebody wrote me today and said, "Oh my god, it's the best video," and like somebody I haven't talked to in so long, and they wanted to hear what director it is, and everybody loves the video. Barbish did a good job. And I want to put someone. What is this one? What's that button?
I think, oh no.
Ah, that's. Oh yeah, that's just. I'm not easy up in this one. I'm deciding it's on third time.
Come in France this year. What? What kind of question is that? Of course it's in France. What a great song.
So we can answer some questions. Let's do this one. Okay, more rock songs. So actually the album, I always say like the album is kind of just the best of out of songwriting. Tom and me always write songs all year. We go in the studio, you know, almost every day. So we write so many different songs and we don't like to repeat ourselves. So we want to do new stuff and, you know, exciting things. So they're all going to be very different. And we always like to put together songs that it's like a soundtrack for your life, you know? So, yeah, there's going to be all kinds of songs. They're all very different. So, some are a little rock, some are a little more dancey. So yeah, but it's gonna be a really good album. So I'm super excited for you guys. But it's still gonna, you know, take some time. We're gonna release a couple more songs. We already filmed our next video, so there's
Yeah.
so much happening. But again, we're performing the song live, When It Rains It Pours, live on TV on Monday. It's called Late Night Berlin. It's a show here in Germany. And yeah, so make sure to watch it and tune in. Können wir nicht mal einen reinholen?
Ja.
Ne? Wenn du mit jemandem live überträgst, können alle die seine...
Ja,
Ja, achso.
let's do it.
Okay, komm, wir rufen mal ein. We gonna
Call
put some,
somebody
call
in,
somebody in. Oh wow.
Teilnahme nicht möglich.
Warum hauen die immer alle ab?
No, just do it. Ja.
Veröffentlicht ihr das Lied von...
Dem
Gucken wir mal. Von dem Tom geträumt hat.
Tom. Tom, hier ist eine Frage für dich.
So, I can tell you guys, we're gonna play that song that Tom dreamed about. We're gonna play it on tour.
Yes.
So, you guys gonna hear it for... Hi Stitch! Hi Liebling! Hi Süßer! Guys,
Look who's here.
ja! Hi! Hi Liebling!
He's a little wild.
So yeah, we're gonna Tom. So they're asking, wann veröffentlicht ihr das Lied, von dem Tom geträumt hat?
We don't know. We don't know yet.
We don't know yet, but we're
But
gonna,
we're gonna
play.
play it on tour.
We're gonna play it on tour, and it has a German chorus.
We're singing in German again.
I'm singing in German again. That's like such you know, exclusive thing I'm telling you here. So I'm singing in German, only the chorus. Guck mal hier. Fein, mein Liebling. Fein, Süßer. Fein. Stitch ist nämlich noch in die Stuben rein und ich versuche ihm die ganze Zeit das noch beizubringen. Darum muss ich mal loben zwischendurch. Yeah, so I'm singing the chorus in German and the verse is English. But it's such a cool song.
Yeah.
I think you guys gotta love it so much.
Yeah.
That's actually my favorite song from the album. So, yeah. So you have to come to the show to listen to the song. Okay, let's watch the video again.
Oh.
Go on YouTube and let's watch the video together and ask us anything you want about the video. Yeah, send us some questions about the video. And I want to know how you guys like it. Hi, Stitch. Ist das denn eigentlich auf Repeat? Ist das eigentlich auf Repeat? Mit dem,
Gustav's doing the barbecue.
ist aktuell gerade für uns.
Ja. So now I'm going to verify if everybody was watching.
Yeah.
Are you gonna verify?
Not everybody.
Not everybody.
Not everybody. We have a special app. We have a special app so we can always check
We can track
everyone and see if they are really watching. And the people that are not watching, they are not allowed to go on Instagram Live again.
Yeah.
We can block them.
But we
Yeah.
block the next time.
So yeah, I want to have another person in the chat. So let's see. Who are we gonna pick? Ich tipp einfach auf irgendwen. Zack.
Sarah.
Sarah. Hi.
Hello,
Can you see us?
I can see you.
Perfect. How are you doing? Where are you from?
I'm from Africa, Ghana, but I live in Hamburg, and my son wanted to say hello, but he's sleeping at the moment.
Oh, how cute. And are you coming to a show?
Yeah, of course.
Are you coming to Hamburg?
Yeah, I'm in Spain now for holidays, but I'm coming back on Tuesday. Yeah, sure.
And
That's
then
really...
are you going to come to the Hamburg show?
Of course, I live in Hamburg.
Awesome. How do you like this song?
Awesome, amazing, and I love the paradise.
Oh no.
I don't know how to sing. I'm still learning.
Okay.
In the paradise, you know, it's really.
You love that one too? See, this one's my favorite track. I love Melancholic.
I love it too. I love it too. It's amazing. It's awesome.
But you like the new one too?
Of course, especially if I want my son to sleep, then I
Yeah.
start singing.
But do you like more the dancey stuff or do you like the rock stuff more?
Actually, I love to shake, you know, to dance also. So I'm trying, and I want to get a beautiful, nice moves for the new track song. You know,
Awesome.
that rhymes, yeah.
That's so cool. So we can't wait to see you in Hamburg then. Have a great
I
holiday.
can't wait to see you too.
See you at the show. Mwah.
Bye.
Mwah. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
Gut. Okay, komm, wir holen noch jemanden rein.
Your battery is about to die.
Ich drücke wieder irgendwo drauf. Ach nee. I have such bad allergies. Who has the same problem? I have like the worst allergies. I need to like.
The barbecue is smelling so good.
I'm such bad allergies. Hello. I have like the worst allergies.
The camera's off.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? Can you see us?
Great, and you?
Good. How are you doing?
Nice.
Is there two people or one?
Two.
What?
Is there two people or just one person?
Two.
Where are you guys from?
Macedonia.
Hi.
Hi to my
Hi.
How do you guys like the new song?
It's really
You
great.
like it? Are you gonna come to a show as well?
Yeah, we're coming in Amsterdam and Eindhoven.
Awesome.
Great.
Have you been to a concert before? Is that gonna be the first show?
is gonna be the first show.
Oh my God! Yes,
Great.
I love that. That's always the most exciting. I love when people come for the very first time. How long have you been Tokyo Town fans?
What?
How long have you been fans of the band?
Of Tom, I mean of the band.
5 years.
So newer fans, I love that. Well, awesome. So I can't wait to see you guys there. And how do you like the video? Did you watch it?
Yeah, it's really great.
So which song did you like better, Melancholic Paradise or When It Rains It Pours?
I like it better When the Rain Pours.
Oh, okay. And you like
But you
Melancholic
should play
Paradise
the
better?
Girl Gala Gun.
Awesome. Wait, we can't wait to see you guys at the show. Sending love your way. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys, my battery is about to die, so we have to say goodbye for today.
Yeah.
But make
And the
sure,
barbecue's
do us a
almost ready.
favor, make sure to stream our song everywhere. Send us love and put it on repeat and listen to it all day, every day. And make sure to watch the video again. And then I'm pretty sure we're doing another live chat pretty soon. So
Yes.
we see you guys
On tour.
on tour and in a bit. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.